Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on threads. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of threads and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In this page you will go to Play Store. You will search here about the application of threads. Then in this page you will go to design. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.